scam naman ang tulog mo eh. There were nights and the wind was so cold. Everybody frozen, but if I just listen to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel. All the things that stood us and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. I finished crying then in that you left, and I can't remember when or how. Pagkaling namin sa grocery, natulog lang saglit. Ayan, gising na naman.